videotaping yourself making a sandwich?
Yes, I am. First, what we have here is we have some sharp cheddar cheese. We take it like this, and we make sure we cut nice. Oh, can you let them in?
Sure.
Fine, very small little chunks of cheese. And you just click the little clicky thing, and you do this. You get 1 or 2 good pieces of cheese. That's all you need. But I'll make 3, just to be positive. There you go. Oh, hold it over.
Oh.
Yep, there you go. So now that we have the cheese, this delicious cheese, we'll sit it right there. We have the bread. This is normal, store-bought, you don't have to hold it that long. Store-bought bread. That is very normal. We take the 2 pieces and separate them into pieces like this. We have turkey as well. Now, I'm going to go and grab some mayonnaise. Where is the mayonnaise? Oh, I found it. Mayonnaise. Only get the Hellmann's real mayonnaise because that is quite possibly the most tastiest that you can have. Are you watching? Do you need to get a closer look?
No, I'm good.
Okay. And you take the mayonnaise, put a little bit on each slice, like so. Do-do-do. Do-do-do. Alright, now that you have each slice mayonnaised, take some cheese, put it on each piece like so. Oops, almost dropped the cheese. Wouldn't want to do that in prison. Good afternoon.
Hello.
Then you take the turkey, like so, and put it on each piece of bread. Well, actually, you only have to put it on 1 piece of bread. Because if you had put it on both pieces of bread, you would have too much turkey meat bread. Just a little bit like that. Like so.
Well, there's a joke that I'm missing.
There was too much jokes. So, I went, now this looks like a delicious sandwich, doesn't it? Which reminds me of something that happened to me the other day. You know, I went to my psychiatrist.
Yeah.
You know I go to a psychiatrist? I went to my psychiatrist the other day.
See the future?
And he said, well, I don't know. I told him that I've been getting very aggravated and I've had some anger behavior issues. And he said, well, tell me about how they start. And I said, well, they usually start in the morning. And then he said, well, what happens in the morning that makes you so angry? And I said, well, probably these dreams I keep having. And he says, well, like a nightmare? And he says, well, and then I say, well, not really like a nightmare, but a dream. He says, well, what are you dreaming about? And I said, well, I keep dreaming about going to this Native American land, and there's these Native Americans, and they're all arguing, and they're like about to start a war. And one guy says, and I say, whoa, don't start this fight. What's going on? Tell me what's going on. We could talk it out. And they said, well, we're calling these wigwams. And I'm calling, and then the other guy, and he says, well, I'm calling these wigwams. And the other guy says, I'm calling them teepees. And he says, no, they're teepees. And the other guy says, no, these are wigwams. And I said, what? Why are you guys fighting about this? And he says, because we need to call them all teepees. And the other guy says, no, we need to call them all wigwams. And then I said, I don't know what to do. And then I wake up and I'm all aggravated because my dream ends like that every day. And then the psychiatrist says, well, it's simple. You're just too tense.
Good one.
Thanks, man. I figured you'd like that.